I didn't think it was gonna come at first, and then it started because it wasn't budging.
Well, it took a little bit of work. Needed the tractor, my dad's help, my grandpa's help, but we got it done. I'm going to work on cleaning this up, getting the cab prepped for paint pretty much. But to get there, I'm going to have to do some welding, the body work to get this pretty much back to good condition. I really had to get the cab off and get the bed off so I could work on these cab corners. These are in pretty bad shape, as you can see. A lot of it's missing, but I had to get that done before I finalize these rockers. I've had these rockers in for a little while. They've just got a couple of screws in there, but yeah, like I said, it's nice to have this thing in here on the trailer. If I want to work on the frame and the bed, I can pull this out since it's on the trailer. I think that'll wrap up today's video, but the next steps on this will be to get all the body panels welded in there, and then wherever I need to, some body filler to smooth it out. But on the inside, I'm probably going to use this black seam sealer. That's going to go over some of the seams on the floor, which won't allow me to really have a finished floor without carpet, but I plan to do carpet at some point. So this is recommended to seal all that up and not even have to weld the seams completely. Some people will spot weld those and use this to seal it up, but I will go ahead and weld the whole thing. Use this seam sealer on the edges, pretty much up in here, and then along the floor. But this in here went in really nicely. I offset it back in just a little bit there, and then I will smooth that out. I've already checked with the door to see how it lines up, to have a good line down here, good line down here. That's the plan. Look forward to another video. I'm hoping to get cracking on this winter and get it rolling. Like I said, there's a lot that I want to get done, but had to wait, and I knew it was going to be a pain to get the cab off, get the bed off, all that stuff, so I put it off for a long time, but it's here now, sitting up pretty nicely, and I feel like I'm more confident in what I have here. I expected to find more rust after lifting the cab off, and it looks pretty solid, so I'll probably leave a lot of that. I'll probably do some sort of undercoating to protect all these seams where I've grinded and welded on the bottom, but that's not going to be seen, so it's not too important. But put a layer on that and then get the rest of this prepped and ready to paint. Got the new 4-post lift for the shop. Going to get everything taken off of this and get the parts inside so then I can start putting it together.